Hey guys, Lady Liberty Stacker here. It is Saturday, March the 2nd, 2019, and I have a box in. I actually got this on Thursday when I went out and did my sourcing, or was it Friday? I can't remember now. I've been so crazy busy this week. But anyway, this box came in. This was what I purchased with my 10% eBay bucks, or at least I bought some supplies from my online stores and that kind of thing, packing materials and such. But I've been looking at buying this for quite a while, and it's no surprise because you see in the title, this is a GoPro action camera. And I kind of missed the opportunity with 8% eBay bucks 2 weeks ago. And I thought, you know what, I better start researching these because I would like to improve the quality of my videos. Right now I just use my smartphone. And I like to go out. Of course, I like this box. This box is awesome. I can use it for my eBay store. Anyway, they packed it great, too. I ordered this from Circuit City. They were one of the online sellers at eBay that had 100% feedback, and they have returns. I don't know if they were free returns or not, but if the thing doesn't work, you can send it back. So they sent air pockets. I love these things. I reuse them all the time for my packing. And they had a bunch of stuff here, so it's really hard to show using a smartphone what's in the box. So I'll try to tip the box like this. Oops, so you guys can see everything in the box. It's crazy. But that's one reason why I ordered this thing, because they have a head mount, they have a helmet mount, they have various mounts where you can put your camera various places. I do cast iron. If you not follow me a lot, I do cast iron videos. I do restoration, seasoning, stripping, all that kind of stuff. And it would be nice to have hands-free as I do my videos. And also, I like to do sourcing videos, and I like to use my smartphone to look up things, and using it to film and look things up drains the battery. So I hope this works. This is an older model, but it's brand new, so I still have the limited 1-year warranty. This is a Hero, black GoPro Hero 5. You can see it there. It comes in the package, brand new. And I got the package that I thought would work well with it. So let's go take a look at what we got here. And I thought Circuit City had closed down. They closed their locations in our area, gosh, like 10 years ago, or if not longer, they closed. My parents always used to get stuff from them, and they always liked them. This is a little cleaning kit, professional cleaning kit for your camera, which is nice. They just kind of throw that in. This is a mini tripod, which I'm not sure how it works. I'm going to spend this afternoon figuring all this stuff out. They have a selfie stick, which I don't think I'm going to use this, but, you know, it's included. They have some adhesives, and then they have the base for the camera to set on the adhesive so you can mount the camera in permanent positions, like maybe your dashboard, if you can find a clean, relatively flat surface for it. This is another kind of a mount. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's a mount for something, so I'll figure that out. It has a memory card reader. I think this is for storage and transferring of information. Optica hand grip stabilizer. I'm not sure what that is. I guess it's kind of nice. I don't know if I ever want to just hold the camera as I'm showing something. And this is I think you're supposed to get 2 of these, a 16 gigabyte SanDisk card transport, and then the actual mini micro card that goes in here, and that goes in your camera, and then you can also put it in your hard drive or computer to transfer the information. So that's kind of neat. Another little gizmo. I think this actually attaches to the camera. And some more gizmos. Then they have, I think this is a windshield. Like if you guys have a Garmin or a GPS device, I think this works like that on your windshield. So that'd be kind of nice because I like to do driving videos. This is a video light if you need to improve your lighting situation. So this is a really nice kit so far. This is a water flotation device if you do underwater type things. I'm never going to use this that I can foresee, but it helps your camera float. And I guess you put your, like so, and the camera's down here, and this thing floats in the water. So, and this looks like to be a device for a helmet mount. I plan to use this on top of my range hood because I like to also make cooking videos. And I'd like to be able to have everybody see what's actually inside the skillet as I'm cooking. Now I have to set up a tripod like this. My skillet is over here, and I have to kind of adjust it all the time so you can see what I'm doing. And I like it when it's overhead and you can see exactly what's going on with the skillet. And I think this is either a chest mount or a head mount. And I did get this because I wanted the head mount. Extra batteries. And I hope the camera came with the battery. It should have come with at least one battery. And this is, I think this is probably the smaller of the two mounts. This is probably a head mount. And you put your camera on your head as you're filming. And basically my viewers can see exactly what I'm looking at, which is really cool. As long as my head doesn't bob too much. So I don't want you guys getting seasick. These are additional mounts. I'm not sure how they work, but we'll figure that out. And let's see what else we have. We have another memory card. So it's 32 gigabyte, which is more than enough for me. And I think this is a device where you can put your card holders in, so you can store them in there. And this is the case that you actually put your camera in. And what else is in here? Oh, I don't know what this thing actually is. It's some sort of a grip thing. You guys may have used this if you guys have this type of a camera. So I don't know. I'm hoping that is information you don't need to see. I'm hoping inside the box there's instructions. So, but yeah, I can use this box. This is perfect for some of my items. Great box and great air pillows. I love to reuse this stuff. Being a reseller, you really learn the importance of reusing things, repurposing things, keeping stuff out of the landfill. I think that's so important. But anyway, that's it, guys. So I'll show you everything that it came with. And I saved probably $150 over the GoPro Hero 7. 7 is the latest model. Black 7 is the top of the line. And the other packages I was looking at was Session, which is a step down, and Silver is a step down. So I had to do a lot of research, but I got 10% eBay bucks on this. And I also ordered an accessory. It's not here yet. 2 extra batteries and a car charger for the battery. So if I'm out, I can swap in batteries so I don't have to quit filming. So I think that's important. And it also has another tripod, which I think would be nice for this camera. I can actually use this for precious metals unboxings as well. I just hope it works great, and I hope it does what I want. I just have different ideas this year as to what I want to do. And one of the things I want to do is set up an electrolysis tank for my cast iron cleaning. And I'd like to show you how I do that when I do it. I've been researching it, and I think I know what I'm going to do and what parts I'm going to get. Got to clean the garage first because it's going to go in the garage. So, got to wait for a warm spring day to do that, and that's what I'm going to set up. So, anyway, guys, here it is. Here's all the goodie stuff. My camera, the grips, all the mounts, the memory cards. I hope the battery's in the camera there. We'll find out. And the case for it. So, and I think it was like $349, and then I got 10% e-bucks. So, it really helped bring the cost down, and I can use the e-bucks at a future purchase. And so I used the 10% e-bucks on something that I really needed. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to bring you future videos using this equipment. And thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for me or just any comments about this kind of camera, if you know. Then I welcome to hear from you. All right, guys, go and make it a great day, and thanks for watching.